Trying to grow a small account can be incredibly discouraging when nothing seems to work. If you already tried counter strategy with no real progress, this video might be a turning point. I'm sharing exactly method that finally made a difference for me, and it could be the same for you. One of kind surprise in the store for you. Make sure to watch the video all the way through and do all that. So guys, for this one, we're gonna use two indicators: Parabolic SAR, okay, and moving average, but that is a different way with another configuration. For the first one is 6 on period simple movement, okay, that's very simple. Just save on that. The second line, it's 13 simple movements, okay. That is like the kind that I use in endurance life. For the Parabolic SAR, that is the full setting, that's pretty good. Classic candle, 15 seconds on time frame. We're gonna start with $30, but I'm not gonna win on this. 1 minute expiration time, and we're gonna start with $20. Let's start with this. Alright guys, for those that want to create your account in Quotex Option, the link for that will be on the description. Alright, so I think that's a great moment to open a position for 1 minute on that with $20. For now, that is in respect, as you can see. But the first of all, guys, you find what the moving average line after that, the Parabolic SAR. But to open the position in the upward direction, and that's showing for us that is a good one. And that is a better signal. It's not the line in that, okay? If there's a new line, there's no problem either. But there's only 2 lines. If you want to use the third one, feel free to do that, okay? So as I already told you, the main thing is to fix above on that. When you get a crossing line on the moving average, when you get the Parabolic SAR. Okay, 4 seconds, 3, oh my gosh, we're gonna lose this. No, oh my gosh, we just got this. $48, guys, 38 of profits. Remember, just very long the techniques that can transform majority in this market. To become a professional, it's vital to master most luxury strategies. But don't worry, I've prepared to exclusive piece of content that will be a change for your growth. Alright, guys, look, that's another one. I think I find another good moment. Again, the moving average lines just cross each other. Because I already told you the signal is strong line. Okay, that's pretty good. When you just have a good movement for a long time, the direction where you open a position, that's a good one. It's always an essential factors that is the time. The green mark of the Parabolic SAR should give signal from the bottom up. That is an uptrend. If they are the positive, that will be a downtrend. And if these marks are more than 4 marks, okay, it's better for this metal. Because in this case, Parabolic SAR is fixing the sign. I think I have a great situation on that for now. We just got 5 seconds remain. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Of course, it's great to have another win, $48 of profit, 71 in the total. So let's continue, guys, for the last one. Oh yeah, guys, look, that's a great moment. And here I have on that pretty good thing. Crossing line on the moving average, that is just early on that. 6 points on Parabolic SAR, that's pretty good, okay? That is the top to down direction, as I said in the previous one. As I already told you, their sign should be 4 or more, indicates a good signal. Remember that, okay? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. 4 or more than that. In some metals, on the contrary, the new parabolic SARs are better. But here, more parabolic SAR, that's more established trend in a specific direction and a strong signal. Alright, and from the movement average, I try consider opening next on this. So just wait for the crossing line to get a short of this and to get a perfect situation on the markets. Excellent, guys. Almost $101 left for that to 100. Oh, that's pretty good, guys. So fun for that. So I just got the third win. That was pretty good, guys. It's unbelievable. That's what I wanted to say, guys. Thanks so much for that. Just give your opinion in the description, your score. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say to you. I wish you 6-4 trade days and see you in the next video, guys. Actually, right now, wish you good profits, good operations, and be safe. Okay, have a good morning, guys, and see you in the next video in the next live session. Bye bye. See you.